Hi guys, so I have a really excellent pronunciation tool for you to use. It's super easy, it's from Google. Let me record here and show you how it works. Okay, so I have typed into Google fixed pronunciation. Let's go. Fixed pronunciation. So here comes Google with its phonetic explanation of the word fixed. Okay, so we can listen.
Fixed.
Fixed. And we can also listen to Google saying it really slowly.
Fixed.
Fixed. Okay, great. But this isn't my favorite part. My favorite part is this button, practice. So before I practice, let's see a mistake that my Brazilian students make. So with the ED at the end, I'm always hearing fixed, fixed, fixed. So let's see what Google says when I say fixed. Fixed. So Google has given me a tip. Try to say ixed instead of ixy, right? So you already know that you're not saying it right. That's the most important. If you're unsure about your pronunciation, go and check, because it could change a conversation really quickly. If the pronunciation is wrong, maybe you won't be understood. So let's try me saying it correctly, okay? Fixed. Good job. Google thinks I did a good job. So maybe when you go searching on Google, you can't find this. Google doesn't have this practice button here. But actually, I had to change the settings in my Google to have this option. It seems to be only available on English Google. So go to languages here, and we have Portuguese. It was originally on Portuguese, it didn't work. I changed it to English. Save. Okay, our preferences have been saved, and now we have this practice button. So guys, go there, use it. It's really, really, really helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.